Today, I'll show you 2 ways to factory reset your TCL Roku TV with a remote if you just want to sell it or just take it back to the default settings to start fresh. Before you continue, keep in mind that this will erase everything on your TV, including your Roku account, settings, installed apps, and all the personal preferences. So we'll start with the settings menu method. From the home screen, go to settings. From there, we're going to go to system, then select advanced system settings, and then select factory reset. Now you will see a couple of options in here. Make sure to select factory reset everything if you want to completely wipe the TV. And next, you got to enter the code shown on your screen and just go ahead and select OK to confirm. Now there is also a kind of easier and quicker method using a remote button sequence. All you gotta do is just quickly press the home button 5 times, fast forward 3 times, and finally rewind 2 times. This will open a hidden menu where you can select the factory reset option. To finalize the reset, enter the code displayed on the screen like before, and just confirm. Your TV will reset, restart, and after a few minutes, it'll return to the initial setup screen, just like it was when you first took it out of the box. And that's all for today. Thanks for your time.